Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday, July 18th. So it is officially my birthday, and today is closing day. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I thought this day would never get here. Oh my God. Just the thing, we started this process back in February. And I was like, oh my God, July is never gonna get here. But July is here. Today is July 18th. Today is the big day. I am so excited. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to sleep last night, but thank God I got a good night's sleep. And I am now getting ready to leave for my closing. Well, first we have to go through the final walkthrough, and then we go from the final walkthrough to the closing. So I'm about to show you my outfit for today. Okay, everything I have on came from Temu. From the hat, what do you call these hats? I can't even think of the name of this hat. It's not a fedora, I can't think of the name of it. To this dress, and I even went up a size in this dress, and it still fit tight. Oh my God, it's cute though. And these little sneakers. And the sneakers, oh my God, you can tell they're very cheaply made, but they're cute. You can't tell how cheap they are just by looking at them. So that's gonna be our look for today. And today I wanted to do a special fragrance, a fragrance I haven't done. So we are doing YSL Libre. Let me see, can I get it to focus? Yeah. We're doing YSL Libre today. So y'all, oh my God, I'm so excited. This is like the best birthday ever. Oh my God, this is like the best birthday ever. All right. So one final look, and we are about to go. All right, guys, we have completed the final walkthrough. There were a couple little things that were still left to be done, but I forgot what you call him, but he's like the guy that's over everything. He was there, and he assured me that by the time I come back from closing, everything will be completed. So yeah, I am so excited. So excited. We are almost there. I noticed I just broke a nail. I don't know how that happened. So if I have time today, I'll go and get it fixed and maybe just do a polish change. I'm not ready to get a fill-in yet. But yes, guys, we are officially on the way to closing. And in less than an hour, I will have my keys in my hand and I will be a homeowner. Again. This is the best birthday present ever. And my family, they've all called and texted this morning. Everybody told me happy birthday and congratulations. So that was so exciting. I'm looking forward to later today. We're all supposed to get together for dinner. Well, the ones that can make it. I know it's kind of hard to do stuff in the middle of the week. But the ones that can make it will be at dinner tonight, and we just go from there. But yes, guys, can you see the excitement on my face? Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh Lord, I thought this day would never get here. But yeah, guys, I'll come back in a little bit. We are done with the closing. I officially have my keys. I am officially a homeowner. I'm so excited. So excited. Oh, God is so good. This is like the greatest blessing. This is the greatest birthday present ever. The most expensive birthday present, but the best birthday present ever. Oh, God, I'm so excited. All right, so now I have to run a few errands, but the big part is out the way. We have the keys. We are a homeowner, and we are excited. Ah! Hey, y'all. So I have been running errands all day, and I still am not done. But I made it back to my house, so I wanted to go on and do an empty house tour. So yeah, I'm about to walk through my house now, and I'm gonna show you. So come on. Okay, we are walking up to the door. So this is as soon as you walk in. There's a little small foyer with a little wall right here. Let me back up. A little wall right here where I'm gonna put a console table. This is the living room. And what I love about this living room is the ceiling, the coffered ceiling is so pretty. So it's a raised ceiling. And that is the fireplace over there. It's a split floor plan, so there are 3 bedrooms on this side and my bedroom is on that side. So this is one of the front bedrooms. And all the bedrooms are pretty much the same size. This is a closet. Standard size closet. That's how this one looks. This is just a coat closet. This room right here is going to be my home office. So this is where I'm going to spend majority of my day. Again, the room is about the same size, and the closet is the same size as well. So that is this room. Hallway. This is the guest bath. This bathroom has the double sinks. I love that. And the cabinets have the drawers. And 2 mirrors. Those are the light fixtures. The toilet and the tub, standard. And then there's a closet back here. Closet in this bathroom. Back in the hallway. And this room back here is going to be my walk-in closet. So this room is the only room that only has 1 window. All the other rooms in the house have 2 windows. But this is the room. Again, about the same size as the other rooms. And the closet, same size. So that is this side of the house. Now you walk back out. This is my kitchen. I love the island and the countertops. These are the countertops that I wanted. I picked these out. That's the thing about this house. It was a custom home, so I got to pick majority of the finishes. So what I was doing was recreating my kitchen from my previous house that I really love. So I just picked the same stuff that I had in that kitchen. This is the dining area right here. And over here is the outdoor patio. I'm getting this screened in, but this is the patio. Turn this way so you can see. But this is the patio. Gonna put a TV up there. But I love my kitchen. It's so pretty. My refrigerator will be here on Friday, and it goes right here. Right here is the walk-in pantry. So that's how this room looks. Oh, I got a package already. That's how the pantry looks. And then this is an additional, I guess you could say pantry too, because it has the shelves. So it's just additional storage. And then back here, that's just an alcove. And I have another console table to put right here. And back here is the laundry room. Typical laundry room. Small space. I'm trying to get, okay. But it's gonna fit my washer and dryer and all my stuff. And then we go back here, and this is my room. So it's a pretty decent size. Has the 2 windows. This whole wall right here. Get my TV mounted on the wall. This is a pretty big space. This is my bathroom. That is me again. I've been pulling this dress down all day. Oh my God. But that is me again. Same light fixtures. 2 sinks, 2 mirrors. And this one has additional drawers. It has the cabinets and additional drawers. Over here is the tub. Right here is the shower. I love this floor. This is my shower. The toilet is over here in a separate room. And this is my walk-in closet. So it has 2 rows. Let's see if I can back up. So yeah, it has 2 rows going across, and then a row on each side. That is my closet. And yeah, that is, turn these lights off. That is basically my house. I'm so excited. I am so excited to be a homeowner again. Like, this is such an exciting experience. Today has been such a good day. I'm so excited. Now I gotta look forward to Saturday when I actually move in. But today was the big hurdle. Today was the move the closing. We had to get past the closing. Close the store. So yeah, I'm about to empty out my truck, and then I still have some more errands to run. I still have some more stuff to do. But this is my house, you guys. I'm so excited. I love my house. I cannot wait to be living here. It's such a blessing. I'm so excited. Yeah, it seems surreal. I've been coming to this house every week since February, and I was like, oh my God, is July ever gonna get here? It seems so far away. But now I'm walking through the house. I actually have the keys, so it's officially mine now. So yeah, I'm about to go empty out my car and go finish running my errand, and I will be back later on. All right, guys.